Raise a hand if you are raising hand, required raise hand or not required raise hand. Pritish, you are raising your hand saying required or not required. How do I know? Pooja. Yeah, you are also part of session. Raise hand and don't use raise hand button. Use the chat window. Use the chat window and say required or not required. Look at here. Important facts on Java program and Java software. Last class we have completed up to here. Listen. How Java achieved platform independency completed, and last class we completed important facts on Java program and Java software and installing JDK. Okay, important facts actually today has to complete, but yesterday only you are learning very fast. Yesterday only complete. And how many types of softwares we have? Two types. What are the two types? JDK and JR. JDK and JR. Okay, look at this slide. Important facts on Java program and Java software. Listen first. So first we point what we learn? Java slogan. Second we learn compiler role. Third we learn JVM role. Fourth we learn Java supports only 2 extension files. In Java we don't have file with machine language code, means exe file not there. And sixth point we learn Java compiler is OS independent. Java JVM is OS dependent. Java software means compiler plus JVM plus API. Compiler is a platform dependent. API is a platform independent, but danger fellow, red color, JVM is platform dependent. Because JVM is platform dependent, same software cannot be installed in all operating systems. We should have separate JVM software for each operating system. Okay. Then Java software is a platform dependent. Java program is platform independent, both because of JVM. For all operating system, JVM is developed by Sun. Olden days Sun, nowadays Oracle Corporation, but not by OS vendor. So JVM will not be installed inbuilt along with OS installation. Next, programmer is responsible for developing, compiling and executing. Customer or client is responsible only for executing. Based on the programmer and customer responsibilities, Java software is divided into two types of Java softwares. JDK internally contains what? JRE. Internally contains what? JVM. Okay, internally contains what? JVM plus API. Java software JRE contains what? JVM plus API. Clear my point? Now these are the slides we have to write. So it takes almost 15 to 20 minutes time to complete. So do you have that much patience to write, or shall I share and later copy? Share and later copy? Next year? Write down now. I know you will postpone. These are the important points. Let it take time, no problem. Initial classes very important. If you have all these points in your brain, next classes will be very easy. Quickly write down, fast. These notes will be shared, but takes time. You will get access. It will be late. Then you will forget all these points. Next classes will be difficult. I will share complete notes. I will share, no doubt in that. Yeah. Machine language code is not saved in the system. It is destroyed. When will be installing? What? Arun Reddy, what you want install? Yes. Nagaraj. Compiler is available only in JDK, not in JR. Completed? Yashwanath, why tomorrow holiday? No holiday tomorrow. When will Oracle classes will start? Refer NareshIT.com, you will get information. Just copying, remember and copying. You should remember. Recollect what did you learn yesterday, what we discussed yesterday. Kanti Kiran, in Naresh IT YouTube channel, already previous classes links are there. Please refer. Go to Naresh IT page and you'll find previous classes links also. Completed? Sachin Rajput, what is the JAR full form? Do you guys know how to write notes? Once you start write notes, your pen should be on the first line. Only where to put pen mark, pen and okay, start writing. Only that time should look into notes. Until pen reaching the end of the line, end of the page, you should not look into notes. Java, Java, slogan, slogan, colon, colon, vara, vara. Tomorrow morning it will be, right? How to write? You should only look at the screen while writing. While typing, only look at the screen. While writing, only look at the screen. And head down and up should not happen. Clear? Only look at the screen. Now, second point. Then you have to look into notes. Again, compiler is responsible to take Java source code, comma, verifies. Syntaxes, if no errors converted source file. Like that, you have to see only notes for moving to the next line. Until then, should not look into the notes. Will you try? Try. Write down. Sixth point. Only look at the notes to start the line. But next, don't look down. Try. Try. One time you try, you will habituate. It's a balancing. Yashwant, why you want to know about my house? You want to come to my house to give party, anything? Any planning night party? Kanti Kiran, Avinash, this notes is available in the videos already. You can write notes from the video, or you want soft copy. Admin will share you the material link after payments complete. Everyone following the notes writing. Again, you are putting your head down. Try, Rabai, one time try. When I say something, try. It will work out. It will improve your writing speed. Try once. And confidence will be improved. When I say something, implement it. Try to implement. What should repeat, Nafisa? Writing speed. Don't look into notes while writing. Only look at the screen. Read and write. Move your hand on the notes. Kiran Chaitanya, class started at 6:15, 6:15. Done? Completed our first page. Everyone. Right. Look at here. Java software is platform dependent because JVM is platform dependent. This next paragraph, 3 lines, if you want, write, otherwise leave it, your wish. Because Java software is platform dependent, we will have separate Java software for every OS. Hence, based on our system OS and processor, we must download and install Java software. This point you are experiencing in today's class. Okay? So, Important to write, but extra point. If you want, write, otherwise leave. Yashwant, yeah, anytime you can come to offline, man. Non-IT background means Sai Kiran. What is that? BTech ka? What? Can you tell me the code? There are so many non-IT backgrounds are there. This point, Java program is platform independent, Java software is a platform dependent, both because of JVM. Then down these 2 points, extra points. If you want, write, write, otherwise leave. Yeah, Sai Kiran. BCom computers means you are IT, na? BCom computers means you are not non-IT, you are IT background. Only BCom is non-IT. And next, Sai Kiran, better take admission in MCA. Only with BCom getting job is very difficult. BCom computers can come to MCA. While doing MCA, complete your full stack Java. With that knowledge, try for job with MCA experience. I mean, with MCA certificate. Krishna Chaitanya, you came to YouTube live from WebEx. In company, same OS means which OS? Same means completed. After core Java, which course is better to choose? I'm interested. Rajini, I gave full stack Java roadmap, right? Did you attend that class? Ranjani, Devraj. Completed, buddy? Next, last points. Yeah, there already mentioned now order. Core Java, Oracle, HTML, Advanced Java, DevOps tools, AWS basics, Spring Boot, microservices. Already given order, sequential order or parallel order. Refer once again that class. I gave notes also, first page refer. One second, guys. Let other people write. Wait. It's a previous slide. What are certifications available for core Java? OCJA, OCJP, OCJD. Three certifications are. When to write? When you feel confident, you can write. They are available 24/7, 365 days. It's not board exams, questions. Yogesh, DSA 75% syllabus will be covered as part of collections chapter. If you want full deep depth DSA, you have to join the course separately. You only asked core Java certification, right? Completed? OCJP, OCJA, OCJD, all are belongs to core Java exams. After core Java completed, you can screening test exam, how many times we can write? Until you pass, you can do your Dandayatra attempts. Dayagadi Dandayatra, any times you can do. Rajita. Completed? Ashtibad, live project is separate course. Full stack Java covers mini project. You want live project, it's a separate course. Ashirvad, Sahu. Done? Narayan Birla course certification will be provided, not Java certification. Java certification is provided by Oracle Corporation when you write exam. We will provide course completion certificate. Done? Okay, getting next. For the next point, not 50. Under main headings. What is Java? Why Java? Who invented Java? Types of softwares. What is Java? Why Java? Who invented Java? Types of softwares. Platform dependency, platform independency. Why C, C++ platform dependent? How Java achieved platform independency? Important facts on Java program, Java software, right? Next, types of Java softwares. For the 8th pointer, ninth point. Ninth point, types of Java softwares. Important facts completed, types of Java softwares. Ninth point. How many types of Java softwares we have? Two types of Java softwares. What are the two types? JDK and JR. Right? Types of Java softwares. Java supports two types of. Java has two types of softwares. Types of Java softwares. Right. Java has two types of softwares. Java has two types of softwares. Java has two types of softwares. Number one, JDK. Number two, JR. Write on this diagram. Akshita, mini project will be developed as part of complete mini project means less functionalities. End-to-end full project is developed as part of Spring Boot microservices. Okay. Completed? Tell me. Okay. Write down next point. Difference between JDK, JRE and JVM. You are too crazy person, Mr. Krishna Chaitanya. Write down, focus on this. Difference between JDK, JRE and JVM. Tell me. Yesterday I told you JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It provides development tool, compiler, runtime environment, JVM and API. API means library. Hence, by using JDK software, we can develop. Hence, by using JDK software, we can develop, compile and execute new programs. Also, we can modify existing programs. Next, in a developer system, we must install JDK. 3 points. What you can do with JDK? What is JDK full form? What it provides? What you can do with JDK? And in your computer, what should you install? Right. First, you read JDK, JRE. I want you prepare yourself. Deepika, you can do full stack Java, but you have to try job with experience. You have to show career gap as experience. Ranganadham, Git course is there as part of uh, DevOps tools, not individual. Completed a JDK. Code mastery. Hello. Welcome to Java world. What next? JRE. Same above copy paste. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. What it do? It provides only runtime environment, JVM and API. Hence, by using JRE software, what we can do? We can only execute existing programs. In a client or customer computer, we must install JRE. Did we discuss all these points yesterday? Remember? Done? Can you tell something about JVM? JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It is a Java platform responsible for providing runtime environment to execute Java program. Completed? These are all the points we have learned yesterday, and today I completed notes. All these points are very, very important. Please read once again. Shall we proceed today, class? New points. Today we are going to learn in a Java 11 version, public JRE is removed. What is the meaning of public JRE? Why it is removed? We have to learn. And also we have to learn today downloading and installing JDK software. After installing JDK software, we should understand what are the softwares required to develop, compile and execute a Java program. And then we have to learn Java programming elements. Very, very, very important. So these are the 4 points we have to complete today. Let's try. Now observe, this is our JDK and JRE. We have 2 types of software, JDK and JRE. In Java 11 version, JRE is removed. Yesterday, one student asked me a question. Sir, if JRE is removed, how can we run Java program? JRE completely removed, external JRE removed. JRE inside JDK is still available. From Java 11 version onwards, either you are a developer or you are a client. Which Java software you have to install? JDK. JRE not there. Why JRE is not there? Why JRE is removed? Let me explain with a diagram. If you want to understand this, our demo class is very important. In demo class, I explain you project architecture. Remember, every project contains what? 3 parts. In that, main 2 parts are what? Front end and back end. Okay. Complete project I am developing now. Complete project I am developing now. This is server computer. Easy, but at the same time difficult. If you don't participate, difficult. If you are participating, easy. This is server computer. In server computer, we have 2 parts are there. Number 1, UI. Number 1, UI. Number 2, program. And number 3, data. UI forms and reports. And this is program. And this is database. Tell me, programming is divided into 3 parts. This is server side executing program, and this is business logic, and this is database interaction program. Remember? Now this project is ready. I deploy the project inside server computer. Server computer is connected to network. And server computer connected to the net. Then in order to access the project, we have opened our client computer. Client computer this much bada, sir. Yes. Okay. Yesterday, Krishna Chaitanya has asked the question. I need to answer that question from this diagram. Client computer connected to the network. Now here, you open browser. If you want to access any project, you must open what? Browser. Then in the browser, you type the URL. Then the request via network will go to where? Server computer to project. Tell me, client is expecting the entire project to download or only UI to download? UI is downloaded. UI program is downloaded from server computer into the browser. Tell me, The UI program came here. Very important point, buddy. Please focus. This UI program is downloaded into client computer and it should run in the client computer now. Who should run this program? Number one, by OS. This computer underlying, we have what? OS. Okay. Will OS execute our program? No. OS will not execute this Java program. Who will execute Java program? JVM. Tell me, who downloaded that program? Browser. Can browser execute this program? No. What it will do? It will hand over to whom now? JRE. Inside this computer, we install what? JRE. JRE internally contains what? JVM. JVM execute that program and give back what? Output. Give back what? Output. Nothing but that forms and reports, whatever. It will give you that output. Then output display that message to whom now? End user. Okay, is a nice end user. Okay, just a guess is a end user. Now this end user seeing that a report or forms or whatever. Everyone understand? Repeat once again. In a server computer, we have the entire project. Then this entire project, what is the downloading from server computer to client computer? UI. Once UI program is downloaded, now in order to execute, what we require? JRE software. JRE software already installed. Then JRE software running this UI program and producing output. Output is nothing but either report or form, whatever. But now my question is, JRE will execute what program? Java program. If this UI is developed by using Java program, in Java program, this UI is developed by using one technology called applet. What the technology? Applet. By using Java applet, Java UI is developed and Java UI is downloaded. Java UI is given to JRE. JRE running that UI and giving us what? Final output. Now tell me, this is old application style. Old, Jamana Kala, my childhood. Old applications in 2000, yeah, old applications enough. Old applications with Java, with applets. Okay, with applets. This is old style. But now tell me, now in the modern applications, are we using applets? No. What we are using? HTML, JavaScript. Everyone tell me. Now in the modern applications, this UI is not developed by using Java applet. It is developed by using HTML. Then what is downloading? HTML. What is this UI page? HTML. To run this HTML page, JRE required or not required? Not required. Who will execute this UI? Browser itself. Browser itself will run that UI. Not required of anything. Tell me, in a modern applications, in a client computer, are we installing JRE? Never. Then from latest application, JRE installation become useful or useless? Useless. JRE maintenance is useful or useless? Useless. That's why Sun Microsystem realized that, array, why am I implementing JRE. Why I'm handling JRE? What is the need of JRE? JRE is not used by the client computers anywhere. Then why should I maintain JRE? So what they did? They have removed JRE as an extra burden, and happily they are only working with what? JDK. Tell me, in the server computer, what should I install here? JDK. In the server computer, either in latest application or in modern application or old applications. What is installed in server computer? JDK world. Sir, why JDK? Because of JSP pages. Here we have servlet and JSP. Na? In order to compile this JSP page, JDK software is required. Where in the server computer, in the client computer, olden days JRE is used. In the latest versions, latest applications, JRE is not using because UI pages are developed by using HTML. HTML pages are directly executed by browser. Okay, read this point. Why public JRE is removed? In modern applications development, the client UI applications are, the client UI pages are developed by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript or React. For running HTML pages, JRE is not required, just browser is sufficient. Hence, JRE is not being used in client system, so it is removed in Java 11 version. Understand that? Write down. This is very important entry question. Interview ask a question. Do you know Java 11? Yes. Tell me what is the features of Java 11. The first feature is public JRE is removed. So the first feature of Java 11 you have learned today. Second feature you will learn tomorrow. Java 11 important two features are there. Monday onwards will not have this much heavy notes, don't worry. Okay, Monday onwards Google Classroom will be available to all students, so that I will directly upload there, time will be saved. Online students, any questions? Yeah, Kanti Kiran. Monday onwards will not waste time, don't worry. Because Google Classroom not there, daily notes immediately you have to study, na? Monday onwards, time will not be wasted. Yeah, what is the need? Narayan Birla. In latest applications, why do we need JRE when the downloading program is HTML page? Completed everyone? So, either developer computer or customer computer from Java 11 onwards, how many types of Java softwares are there? Only one. From Java 11 version onwards, we have only one Java software, that is JDK. Vaishnavi, client computer, are you client or developer? Client means the person who gave you money for developing the project and testing later after your development completed. You are a developer, you are developing. Shall we download JDK now? Okay. Which version JDK you have to download? Which version JDK? What is the latest version of JDK? This year, this month, 17, September 17th, new version release 23. But don't use 23, use only 21. Okay? Use only 21. 21 version only we will use. Why, sir? In a company, you are not going to use 22, 23, you are using only 21. Why I am not recommending next versions? From 21 version itself, lot of changes are coming to Java language. From Java 21 version onwards, you can create a Java program without using class. Like in C language, like in Python language, in Java program, you can write a program directly without class. But in Java 21 version, that feature is not permanent. It is a preview feature. Means it is under testing. Maybe in the next versions, it will be released. So from Java 21 version onwards, Java programming language is trying to become what? Procedural programming language, nothing but structured programming language or scripting programming language like Python. So adopting those changes, if you adopt those Java 21 changes, company not ready to use, then you will answer the questions based on latest versions, and all previous, what do you call, all interviews you will fail, because interviewer expecting knowledge on previous versions. But next versions, lot of changes are coming. That's why I'm not recommending to use Java 22, Java 21 only use. 22, 23 don't touch. After you complete core Java, end of the course, 22 features what, 23 features what, we will list out and we will practice that type. Are you following? As of now, let us use only Java 21 version, no 22, no 23. Clear? Tell me, which version Java you are installing? Java 21, right? Downloading and installing Java 21 version software. JDK 21 software. Tell me what I have to do. Downloading and installing means, have you ever downloaded any software in your system? How downloaded? Excellent. Go to browser. Wonderful. Marvelous. Which browser? Google Chrome. Okay. Google Chrome. Open. Next. Search in the browser for what? JDK 21 download. Wow, super. Java 21, go to Java downloads. Okay, Java downloads. Always use the hyperlink Java downloads. Click on it. Then you come to the Java downloads page of which website? Oracle. Then what to do? Download. Where is download button? They go. Where is there is no download button. What to do? Excellent, super, marvelous. Scroll down. Okay. How many versions of Java available to download? 17, 21, 23. Okay. 17, I don't want. You use what? 21. Java 21 version, but don't use latest version 23. What is the latest version? 23, but don't use. Why? 21 onwards, Java programming language changes happening that will create problem for you to pass the interview. Okay, that's why don't use Java 23, only download install 21. Then go down. Click on JDK, scroll down, click on JDK 21. Okay, na? Then which operating system JDK you want? I told you there are 3 JDK softwares are there. One for Linux, one for Mac OS, and one for what? Windows. Now our computer is Windows. Click on Windows. Online students following her? Where are you? Then now which JDK software you want to download? Either bin or zip file or exe file or MSC file. Anyone you can download, but exe version is easy for you to install. In my system, already JDK software is available. First, let me uninstall. Sir, how many different versions of JDK can install in my system? Your wish. 21 is there, 22. Both are available. Okay. I am uninstalling 21. Uninstalling 22 also. So my system is now equal to your system. Empty dabba. Now no Java software in my system. Open browser. Once again try. Open browser. Search for JDK 21 download. Click on Java downloads. Then scroll down. Click on JDK 21. Scroll down. Windows. Click on EXE. Once you click on EXE, download is started here. Download completed and showing you downloaded. Click on this exe file. When I click on this exe file, your system screen will become black and one button will come yes. Click on X. Online students you cannot see, offline students can see. Okay now? Did you get sound? Tick tick. Online students, click yes. Now the next window will start for installing Java software. Wait. Now click on next. Then click on, don't click on next, click on change. Why sir? The path available here, the path is showing what? Program files Java JDK 21. Program files Java JDK 21. Don't install there. Here program files space is there, na? This space creates a problem in the future when you are developing the programs from the Edit Plus software. In Edit Plus software, commands will execution fail because of space. So that's why I click on change, remove this program files Java safely. Only one slash must be there. CJDK 21. Make that path as CJDK 21. Click on OK. Make sure that JDK 21 available. And click on next. Then installation starts. In few seconds, installation complete. It's a small bougie software. Maybe max 1 minute, less than 1 minute it will complete. Completed installation. Click on close. Okay. Then after installing, now I want to run JDK software now. After installing JDK, you want to compile the Java program and you want to execute Java program. For that, open command prompt where I can run Java software in a command prompt window. Open command prompt. This is a terminal. In a Mac or Linux, we call it as a terminal. In Java, we call it as command prompt. And type Java C. What is the compiler software name? Java C. Press enter. Look at that, is working or not? Now you wanted to see the version number, what it is using. You can type Java C space hyphen version. It should show us version number. What is the version number? Java C 21.0.4. And next, I wanted to see the Java JVM. JVM command name is what? Java. Java version also same, which is released in this month. Okay, na? So LTS stands for long term support. Okay, so JDK software installed successfully and running for us to compile and execute our Java program. Everyone got clarity here? Can you write all the steps by your own, or I should show you notes? Can you write? Now, not after class, now only. Can you write by your own? Wow, super. That conference sufficient, copy silent. Open browser, type JDK 21, download, press enter, click Java downloads. JDK download page will be shown. Scroll down. Click JDK 21, click Windows. Everyone completed? Akshita, what is your question, Akshita? Please repeat installation again. You are repeating here. What else you want? This is repeating only. Priyadarshini, Java 11, if you already there, no need to uninstall. File size. Why you want to worry about file size? Why are the changing from pop from whoop? Wait for 15 days, you will learn. Priyadarshini, you can use 11 version or you can use 21 version. If you want to use 21 version, install JDK 21 version by without removing Java 11. Okay? Both will work in your system. Completed, guys? Now, how to test the JDK software running or not? Open command prompt. No need to set class path. That is advanced Java part. Core Java not required. In latest versions of Java, no need to set path also. Old versions, we have to set path. Class path for advanced Java. Siri in Mac will not be shown. That is maybe fixed place. Mac, I'm not have idea. You try yourself. You know already how to install softwares in the Mac. Here, look at there, Java C 21.0 X. X stands for any version, maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3. Currently, what? 4. After 1 month, if you install, you may get 10 or 11. This will be changing. Whenever I write X means this is a variation. It will be changed from 1 month to next month. Okay. Java 21.0 is fixed. After X is changing. Completed? JDK software is installed and running successfully. Now we can develop programs. Until we to develop, Vaishnavi, if path required, I would set na. Did I set anywhere? Did I mention anything na? No, right? That means not required. Look, after installing, I open command prompt and type Java C hyphen version. Is it executed? Yes. Java version. Is it executed? Yes. That means not required for latest versions. Old versions required. Latest versions not required. Next, a system can contain multiple versions. What are multiple versions? Java 8, Java 11, Java 17, Java 21. All different versions you can have. Always system will use latest installed version. If you want to use different JDK version, you have to set a path variable. As of now, I am not going to teach path variable. Coming classes I will teach. As of now, stop asking questions about path variable and focus here. Okay, so with this, we completed all the theory knowledge required to launch Java program. All are you comfortable? Are you ready to quickly revise all the points once? Tell me now. What is that? What is Java? Java is a platform independent, object oriented programming language. Why Java invented? For achieving platform independency to develop internet applications. Who invented Java? James Gosling. Types of applications? Two types. Standalone application and internet application. Standalone application is not accessible from other computers. Internet application is accessible from other computers. What is a platform? An environment. What is a platform dependency? Cannot execute in different operating system. What is platform independency? Can be executed in all different operating system. Why C++ programming languages are platform dependent? It's a compiled code contains machine language of particular OS whose format not understandable to another OS. How Java achieved platform independency? In Java, program is not compiled targeting to any OS. Java compiled code contain bytecode. Later it is translated to machine language of particular OS in which we are running by using JVM. What are the important facts on Java program, Java software? Java program is platform independent. Java software is platform independent, both because of Java JVM. Is JVM by default available in every system? No, we have to install it again. Can I install only JVM? Not possible. We must install JVM either with JDK or with JRE. How many types of Java software we have? Two types, JDK and JRE. What is the difference between JDK, JRE, JVM? JDK, Java Development Kit, provides compiler and execute. It provides compiler and JVM to develop, compile and execute Java program. JRE provides only JVM, so we can only execute existing applications. JVM is the Java platform using which we can run our Java programs. Now, from Java 11 version onwards, public JRE is removed. Why? Because Java 11 is meant for developing modern applications. Nowadays, we are not developing web application by using web applications, front-end applications are developing by using HTML. To run HTML, JRE install in the client system is not required, so it becomes useless. Hence, in Java 11 version, officially JRE is removed. Now, for developing Java programs, we have to install JDK. We have different versions of Java software. The permanent softwares people are using Java 8, Java 11, Java 17, Java 21. 4 versions people are using. In companies, mostly used version is Java 8. Slowly companies are moving from Java 8 to Java 11. Some companies are decided to go to 17. Up to 17, companies are migrating. But we are learning one more version extra. What is that? 21. Sir, 17 to 21 between versions there are there. 17, 18, 19, 20 are there. But those versions are short-term versions. Means next version coming, they will gone. For example, up to last month we have 22 version. Now 23 version came in this year. 22 version is removed. So only 6 months one version will be there. Then we call it as what? Short term. Now even though next versions are coming, previous version is available to use. Is called what? Long term support version. 8, 11, 17, 21 are long term support version. Sir, when the next long term support will come? After 3 years. 21 released in 1 year is some year. Okay, I didn't remember exactly year. Next 3 years after next long term support version will come. And for every 6 version, 3 years and 6 every 6 months one version will come. So after 6 versions, 21 after 6 versions, now we will get next long term support version. Okay. Now up to 21 version if you learn, it's enough. You will get the job and also you will get retirement also. Are you catching my point? Learn up to 21 thoroughly, then got the job. By the time companies are moving from 21 to next 6 versions, long-term version, definitely 100% you will get retirement also. No, companies will not easily move versions from one version to another version because there is a problems will be there. Okay, some bugs will come. That's why people are not easily moving. 8 version released in many years back, but still we are using 8 only, not move to the even 11 also. So that's why 21 is sufficient. Next, softwares required to develop, compile and execute Java program. All these 12 points are clear and comfortable and confident. Any doubts? Okay. Now let's move to the next point. What is that? Softwares required to develop, compile and execute a Java program. Now tell me, what is the meaning of develop? Come on. What is the meaning of develop? Develop a program. What is the meaning of develop a program? Create. What is the meaning of create? Writing. Where in your notes? Array. You are a developer, not student. Writing typing. Use the computer terminology. Typing. After typing, close. After typing, what? Compiler. Save. Without saving, how can I compile? So what the meaning of develop? Develop means type and save. Type and save is called develop. Where you can type? Editor software. Notepad is what? Editor software. Text editor software. So tell me, what are the softwares required to develop a Java program? I completed my answer. What is the software required to develop a Java program? Text editor software. What is the text editor, sir? There are 3 types of text editors are there. Basic text editor, Notepad. Little advanced editor, Notepad++, TextPad, Edit plus, brackets. Most advanced editors, IDE, Eclipse, IntelliJ, STS, VS Code, all will comes under what? IDE. Tell me, you are a just born baby. Can you take a bullet bike and ride? Can you take car and ride? If you use a bullet bike, it will come on you. If you ride the car, it will go on other person. Yes or no? For safety learning purpose, what you are using in initial days? Cycle. Cycle have any extra facilities? No. It's a plain vehicle. Tell me, you all people are just born Java babies. Shall I directly use Eclipse? Shall I use Edit plus? Edit plus is bullet and Eclipse is car. If I use a bullet and car without knowing the driving, what happened? Accident will happen. Your legs, hands, bones will be broken. So many students are forcing me, use Eclipse, sir, or use Eclipse, or use Eclipse, or use STS, or use IntelliJ. People are forcing me in the first day Hello World program itself. Sorry, in my college, my faculty used Eclipse, you also use. That's why you come to Amirpet to learn Java. Then after my class, you go to Amberpet to learn another Java. Tell me, we decided first day of our course is what? Everything learn from zero to become hero. You want to start from zero, na? You promised that you will want to learn everything from zero. Let's start work with what? Notepad first. Few examples we will develop by using Notepad so that your eyes and hands are comfortable with what? Syntax. What to write, what not to write. If I use Edit plus, you no need to write anything. Edit plus will give, take this program. Ray, I don't know how to write. Take no problem. Okay. And if we use Eclipse, Eclipse is saying, take this program. You don't compile. I will only compile. You don't type program. Click this button. Take this code. Click another button. Take this code. Within 3-4 buttons, 100 lines of the code is ready. ఏ బటన్ క్లిక్ చేయాలో నీకు తెలియాలా? Are you catching my point? For example, you are attending exam, Ravi. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. You don't know answers, but your friend is showing you answers. To which question, which answer you should know, na? If you don't know, then you will copy wrong things and finally what happen? Everything will fail. That's why if you want to carefully copy paste, first you should know when to click this button, when to click that button. We don't use Eclipse in the first day. We will use a notepad. After you confidently understand the syntax and spelling of the word, then I will take you to Edit Plus. In Edit Plus, some part of the logic you syntaxes and building the logic you understood. Then I will take you the next part is what? Eclipse. Are you following my point? First 3 chapters, Notepad. Next almost 10 chapters, Edit Plus. Last 20 chapters, Eclipse. Okay, na? By end of Core Java completed, you will have full knowledge on developing from zero to advanced. Let me ask a question. When you go to interviewer asking you, write a program. If you learn the program development by using Eclipse, can you write program on a white paper? Eclipse is giving 75% of the code to you by clicking on the buttons. Then when interviewer asking, write a program to perform this task, and he will give you one white paper. Look at the white paper, look at the interviewer. क्या बोल रहा है? मैं कौन है नो? Eclipse का developer हूँ. Where is laptop? Where is Eclipse? You will ask. Then you look at your face. Thank you. Get out. So you should write everything on where? White paper. So that's what we are trying. Start with what? Notepad. So tell me, for a developing Java program, first what is required? Notepad. Tell me, by default in my system, Notepad is available. Should I install anything else? No. Next, I want to compile a Java program. What is required? Compiler. I want to execute Java program. What is required? JVM. So tell me, compiler and JVM softwares are installed by JDK installation. Already available. Then tell me, what are the softwares required to develop, compile and execute Java program? Editor software and JDK software. Are these two sufficient or not sufficient? No. To run compiler software, we required command prompt, na? Terminal software required. Na? So totally, how many softwares required to develop, compile and execute Java program? 3 softwares. We need 3 softwares. Editor for developing a Java program, JDK for obtaining compiler and JVM into our system, command prompt for running compiler and JVM softwares for compiling and running Java program. Is it clear, everyone? Editor software for type and save, JDK for obtaining compiling to our system and for compiling and running our program. Okay, now? Please write this one so that you will have clarity. And then we'll go for next points. Last points as part of the flow of the notes. Initial classes will be little boring because I am trying to make you, digest these points. Coming classes, I will upload notes so that this much boring will not be there. Don't worry. And also we can go little fast. Time can be saved. Tomorrow, Saturday. Generally, students will not come Saturday to classes. I don't know why. But tomorrow you are learning our first program development. Okay? Hello world program we will learn in tomorrow class. Any cost, don't miss tomorrow class. If you miss tomorrow class, Monday class will be difficult. Tomorrow, can I take class up to 8:15? Okay, possible? Up to 8:15, girls? Up to 8:15, okay, na? Okay. Boys, okay, up to 12 also, no problem. Right? So I have to take permission from girls for extra time today. Online students, all are you okay now? Narayan, in your system maybe 22 already there, uninstall 22. Or set path to 21. Completed? Okay, for just your knowledge sake, different editors. No need to write these point notes, just for your knowledge. Basic editor, Notepad. Advanced editors, Notepad++, TextPad, Edit plus, brackets. In our next classes, we will use Edit plus for Windows user, brackets for Mac user. Next, more advanced editors, IDE. IDE full form Integrated Development Environment, Eclipse, IntelliJ, STS, VS Code. Arey bhaiya, VS Code is not for Java applications to develop. Don't use VS Code for applications. We have to use Eclipse or STS. Core Java, Advanced Java programs will develop using Eclipse or IntelliJ. Spring Boot applications we develop by using STS. Okay, tell me, in our system we have Notepad, JDK, command prompt. Chalo, let's start program. Okay, now, now please write this heading and tomorrow I'll explain. By this we completed theory and make our system ready to develop programs. So program first point is what? Java programming elements. So by today we completed 7 days of our course. Tomorrow we are learning Java programming elements. Okay. Can I expect everyone understood today class? What we learned today? Important facts on Java program and Java software, types of Java softwares, difference between JDK, JRE and JVM, and following by why JRE removed in Java 11 version, JDK software installation and checking is JDK running in system after downloading and installing, and then next software is required to develop Java program. Totally today 7 topics we have learned with many points. So I am requesting you all from the first day of the course to till now all these 13 points please read today tomorrow once from the first point to last point. And can I expect everyone install JDK in your system and come tomorrow? And also test Java C hyphen version, Java hyphen version. Between Java to version, between what is there? Space. Without space, if you type, it will throw error. Clear my point? Right. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll start the class by 6:10 sharp. Tomorrow I need to teach many points. Programming elements I have to teach. Essential statements I have to teach. Java program structure I have to teach. Steps to develop Java program. Developing first Java program, compiling execution. Lot of discussion is there in tomorrow. So by end of tomorrow class, we are closing our first chapter. Clear my point? So don't miss tomorrow class. Class will start by sharp 6:10. Clear my point? 6:10 to 8:15, or if not completed up to 8:30 also I'll proceed. So because tomorrow I want to complete our first chapter, from Monday onwards we are moving to our second chapter. Clear? Thank you. Good night. Online students, YouTube live students, if you have any questions, please ask. One month fine program. 40 minutes. ఎవరైనా అందరు బాగానే జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. Nagaraj, Oracle JDK is licensed, Open JDK is open source. Vamsi, tomorrow is the last demo class. From Monday, only paid students are allowed to the class. Srivastava, your first day course, just one chapter also not completed. Don't have that much of fear, man. Just chill, follow what I am explaining, learn what I am explaining. Okay, na? End of the course, you must ask this question, not now. Okay? Don't worry. Follow me, I'll make you developer. Arun Kumar, you are going to company as a full stack Java developer. So company will decide which layer development you have to do. Okay? You don't have a choice. Krishna Chaitanya, tomorrow I'll explain again, don't worry. Thank you guys. Good night.